I will take you on a step-by-step guide on how to add funds to your Wealthsimple account. Let's dive right in. Open the Wealthsimple website or the Wealthsimple app on your device. Log in using your email and password. Go to the funding or transfer section. Select Add a bank account. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account securely. This usually involves logging into your bank through the Wealthsimple platform or manually entering your bank details. Navigate to the Funding tab or equivalent. Choose Add Funds or Transfer. Select the bank account you wish to transfer money from. Enter the amount of money you want to deposit into your Wealthsimple account. Review the details to make sure everything looks correct. Confirm the transfer details. Click Submit or Transfer to initiate the transaction. It usually takes 1-3 business days for the funds to be transferred from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account. Different accounts might have different transfer limits, so be sure to check those before initiating a large transfer. You can set up automatic transfers on a weekly or monthly basis to make saving easier.